Make sure you start with a good bubbly starter. Mix all your ingredients together and let it rest for 30 minutes. So you pull and stretch. You just bring it to the middle, like that. After we do that a few times, we're gonna set it in a warm place until it's at least doubled in size, which is gonna take a few hours, okay? Because we're not using yeast, we're using sourdough. Flip your dough out on a lightly floured surface. Fold it over a couple of times until you form it into a nice little ball again. We're gonna let it rest for 15 minutes. We're gonna form this into a nice round ball. And we're gonna put this in the bottom of our Dutch oven, which is covered in parchment paper and cornmeal. Rise for another 2 hours. We're gonna preheat our oven to 450 degrees. Cut a nice little X on the top. Put the lid on. And we're gonna cook this for 50 minutes. For the last 10 minutes of cooking, we're gonna take the lid off and let that crunch up a little bit. Ooh. Look how pretty that is. All right, just pulled it out of the oven. It cooked exactly 50 minutes. I'm gonna let it cool and then we'll flip it out and cut into it and see what it looks like. Look at that, plenty of air in there. Soft in the middle, a little crunchy on the outside, just the way we like it.